guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to use your broken cake to make some amazing cake pop. So let's get started. So for this recipe you will require some cake cut into pieces, require some icing. Here I'm using chocolate cake and chocolate icing. You can use the icing and the cake of your choice. Here you require some melted chocolate. Sprinklers are optional, but you can also use them to make the pops more attractive. You'll also require lollipop sticks, but I'm going to make the pop without it too. Take the pieces into a large bowl. Beat it using a hand blender until it turns into fine pieces. You can also do it in a mixer. Now you'll have to add the icing. Beat it till it combines.
Yeah.
The mixture should be thick enough to make balls with it. Make balls and place it on a tray lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate it for minimum 1 hour. Dip the straw into the melted chocolate. Then pierce it into the balls. Using the stick, dip the balls into the melted chocolate. Then use the sprinklers to decorate it. Refrigerate it for about 15 minutes and then you're done with it. To make them without sticks, use 2 forks and cover the whole ball with chocolate. Sprinkle some sprinklers over it and refrigerate it for 15 minutes. Additional tip over here, you can use chocolate wrappers if you are gifting it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment down below which recipe do you want to see next.